Once upon a time, in a kingdom where people were kind and pure, a kind hearted king ruled. He loved his people dearly and always tried for their well being. His queen was equally beautiful and kind hearted. They had a daughter named Princess Mirha, renowned for her beauty and grace. When Princess Mirha came of the age, the king began preparations for her wedding. He gathered the finest jewels in the land and created a magnificent diamond bracelet. The diamonds in the bracelet were exceptionally brilliant. On her wedding day, the king presented the bracelet to his daughter. Princess Mirha was overjoyed with this beautiful gift and began a happy life with her prince. But fate had other plans. One day, while strolling in the forest with her prince, a terrible storm arose. Trees were uprooted and the sky was lit with thunder and lightning. Princess Mirha became frightened and clung tight